Okay, so pretty much I'm sitting in this room doing my makeup because I posted this makeup look, and I got a lot of messages asking how I did it, and pretty much like it was me just like playing around. Because my skin is looking really normal and clear, except I have my first pimples in forever. This one's healing up and a couple here, but I haven't touched them, I haven't picked at them because I'm not about that scar life. I just got rid of all of them. Anyway, but pretty much I have just been wearing no foundation, no concealer whenever I've been wearing my makeup lately, because I'm just embracing my natural skin colors. You know, even though I do have quite dark around my eyes, I'm not doing that. I want to do my makeup where the features are strong enough that your skin doesn't need to be like flat and flawless. Like flaws are just as beautiful as flat and clean, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna be doing freckles, I'm gonna be doing messy eyebrows, I'm gonna be doing thick eyeliner because that's just fun, and the dark eyeliner shape will white out the subtle imperfections in your skin, if you know what I mean. I already have freckles, so I am just amplifying them. So I'm gonna get started. So pretty much I have put some moisturizer on my face, and I'm just gonna spray some Fix Plus to get my skin started, and then I'm gonna put some strobe cream on my cheek. So I just put a big chunk of strobe cream on the tops of my cheeks, along my nose, and on my forehead, so I get that real like shine in the highlights of my face. I should probably be looking at the mirror. Oh, I bought one of these Jeffree Star mirrors, aren't they cute? Now, if you want to do concealer, I would say do concealer now, but just do it, you know, in these spots here, just to kind of like bring your eyes out. But I'm not doing that. I want to have my dark under eyes because I'm embracing that at the moment. My highlight I just bought, oh, I've already got it dirty. I got this Jeffree Star highlighter in Ice Cold. So I'm gonna just put a bit on the tip of my nose and then in the corners of my eyes. Like and it does make these bits look darker, having the white here, but I feel like it's almost like it just adds more dimension. And I'll just do a little bit in the center of my nose there. I'm gonna get this cute little fluffy brush and then put it on my cheeks. Yeah, if it's really echoey in here, you're welcome. I didn't bring a microphone or anything. I thought I would be filming a very different type of video while I'm here, but you know, so how good is this highlighter? So it's important to do all the highlighter and skin stuff before you put the freckles on, because you're building on top of it, obviously. So this is my holy grail freckle product that I've recently found. So the company's called FRECKLY, like Get Freck. The thing I really like about this product is that it's got like a natural tone to it. It's almost got like a red orangey undertone to it, which is what freckles are for me anyway, as like I have a gingery undertone all over. And it's like a really nice like wet consistency, and it almost feels like you're putting like an oil on your face. So I'm going to bring you in closer. So the thing with freckles are that, let's just say goodbye to this pimple, that's a freckle now, is that freckles are imperfect, so just tap away. And because I have natural freckles, I'm going to just put more color on top of them and bring them out. And I really like this product because you dip it once, and I've managed to create all of this in the first try, and that if something's a bit dark, you can just tap over it and lighten it. Another thing to note with freckles is that it is not just in this upper cheek center of the face area, it is everywhere. So I make sure to put some, for instance, like here under my eyebrows and above my eyebrows as well. even if you want to pop like a couple on your chin. And that's my second dip into the product. None of this structured, cute, round freckle stuff. Real freckles are square, rectangles, triangles, polygons, what are they called? Oblongs, rigons. They are all kinds of shapes. There's a bunch that blend together. Make them as messy as you want, and this product will blend in really nicely to your skin. So like, look at that. That is like, it's so easy to apply. So I'm going to finish the rest of my freckles off camera. So something you also need to note is that freckles are asymmetrical, just don't even worry about it. So put some like darker, deeper layered ones, and then some fresh, almost clean little fresh freckles as well. And now I'm going to finish the rest. So it's almost like my skin's more clear when I have the freckles on the top, because it's like distracting from what my skin actually looks like, if that makes sense. Okay, so now we're going to just do my eyebrows. So recently I have been growing out my eyebrows. So I'm going to give my eyebrows a brush. And then I'm not going to add much structure. I'm literally just going to use like a cool tone brown here and just almost like darken these first bits here. And then I'm going to use a gel over the top to keep them up and push them up. And add a little bit of color in the arch at the top here to kind of lift them up so my eyes open up a bit more. Yeah, and that's it. Just like a little bit of structure, that's all it needs. And then I'm going to go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel and almost like flick these bits up and these end tail bits down. And then in that photo I have like a really small amount of eyeshadow, but I think the look will be a bit stronger if I just have like a really light amount of eyeshadow in it, even just like a neutral fleshy tone. So I'm just going to go in with the 2 Peach palette. I've got this color down here, and I'm just going to do like a little bit, just to add a little bit of dimension. Now, I haven't washed this brush since yesterday, and I did like a really orange look, so my eyelids are now orange. That's fun. But that's all I wanted, just a bit more dimension, just to amplify the darkness around my eyes. And then I'm going to get this like pointy brush here and use the same color underneath, just to give my eyes a bit more dimension, because they are quite clean in the photo I posted, and that looked good in photos but not as good in real life, if that makes sense, because my eyes just looked a bit flat. I'm going to grab that same highlighter from before and place it, oh, this is really hard to open, don't know why, there you go. So I'm going to place it just under my eyebrows in the tips here. Okay, and then I'm going to do my eyes now. I'm going to do some eyeliner. I'm using the NYX Epic ink liner, and I actually really enjoy it, and it's quite comfortable. The only time it fails me is one of my eyes always kind of gets like leaky and soggy, and it doesn't withstand that, which is fine. I accept that, and I'd rather the product leave my face when it's leaking. So, okay, I'm going to put mascara and lashes on. Be right back.
Please contact us now.
Oh my god. Let me see. Oh my gosh! Ron just made this with his drone. Well, this is the house we're staying in, out in the desert. That's so cool. Okay, so I'm only putting mascara and lashes on the top, not the bottom, to keep it light and comfortable. I love Holy Grail lashes. They're my favorite. Yeah, I'm going to use these lashes here because they are so pretty and fluffy. So I'm going to put them on now. Oh, eyelashes make such a difference. If you ever feel hideous, just put eyelashes on and you are good to go. Now, reassessing the situation, I feel like the top of my eyes are still a little bit heavy. I'm gonna grab that little pointy brush that I had before and then like a kind of cool tone brown that I used on my eyebrows, kind of keeping everything in the same color palette, and then put it under my eyes here. And I think, yeah, that will make all the difference. That has saved the look. So that is it. And then I'm just going to put some more Fix Plus over the top. And my eyelash is coming off. Come on. Okay, so this is the finished look with some nice lighting. As you can see, it's so nice because I can touch my face all day. I can lean on it because I don't have any foundation or concealer or powders on, and I think it's just like a really nice happy medium if you want to wear a full face for your eyes but not so much the rest of your face because your skin's kind of having a chill week. But yeah, so I'm pretty sure Frecked has organized like a discount code for me, so I'm gonna just put that on the screen there, and I want to run like a giveaway with Frecked so I can give out one of those little products, give away some art and one of the little freckle things. That'd be so cute. So comment down below something about yourself and freckles, or I don't know, just leave me a comment down below. I'll pick a winner. So yeah, I pretty much just want to give away some free product. So yeah, okay, bye. Subscribe.